Hi guys, it's a very exciting day for the two of us. Katia and I are at the Ford dealership here in Calgary, Canada. We're picking up Ford Transit all-wheel drive cargo van. Not the one we had ordered, but I'll tell you more about it. But very excited. Finally the wait is over and the construction of the camper is about to start. It is used but low mileage. It is the 148-inch wheelbase, mid-roof, T350 all-wheel drive. The color is Ingot Silver, as Ford calls it. It's powered by the twin-turbo Ecoboost V6 that produces 310 horsepower. It's got heated rear-view mirrors with signal lights, heated power seats, so it will be a really good base for us to build a camper. I will document my work during the conversion, broken down into separate blocks, I call them, or projects. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any episodes, because I'll explain how I solve the problems along the way. So this is an exciting time for us. The conversion is finally starting, and soon we'll have our home on wheels. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.